Ryan had been crushing his diet for 12 weeks straight. His meal prep was immaculate, executed every Sunday without fail. His weight was dropping consistently, exactly on target. His progress photos showed visible changes every 2 weeks. By every measurable standard, he was succeeding. But Ryan's social life had completely vanished. He declined every dinner invitation from friends. He skipped his sister's birthday celebration. He avoided work lunches, eating alone at his desk while his colleagues bonded over meals. He was convinced that one restaurant meal would destroy 12 weeks of progress, undo all his hard work, and send him spiralling backward. His relationships began suffering. Friends stopped inviting him places. His family expressed concern about his isolation. His co-workers thought he was antisocial, but Ryan believed he was being disciplined, making sacrifices necessary for his goals. Then week 13 arrived and the deprivation finally broke him. At a mandatory work dinner he couldn't avoid, Ryan ordered appetisers, a massive entree with all the sides, 3 drinks, and dessert. He consumed thousands of calories in one sitting, eating with a desperation born from weeks of feeling excluded and deprived. The rigid all-or-nothing approach had backfired spectacularly. I'm Duncan, and I've got your raw daily fuel for today. Here's what Ryan didn't understand about restaurant eating. It doesn't have to derail your progress. The problem is people swing from one extreme to another. They either avoid all restaurants completely, or they walk in and order whatever they want while justifying it as a cheap meal. Both approaches sabotage long-term success. In Scotland, we value common sense over extremes. We understand that life is meant to be lived, not avoided in pursuit of perfect adherence to arbitrary rules. Your diet should fit your life, not eliminate your life. A strategic approach allows you to enjoy social eating while maintaining consistent progress towards your goals. The core principle is simple: one restaurant meal will not ruin your progress, but the pattern of how you eat out determines your results. Let me give you 5 practical strategies that work in the real world. First, check menus online before you go. Make your decision at home, in a calm environment, without social pressure, time pressure or hunger influencing your choice. Know what you're ordering before you walk through the door. Many restaurants list calories and macros online now, which removes all guesswork. Walk in with a plan already made, and ordering becomes automatic instead of stressful. Second, ask for modifications without apologising. Request dressings and sauces on the side. Restaurants use 3 to 5 times more than necessary, adding hundreds of hidden calories you never taste. Ask for grilled, baked or steamed preparation instead of fried or sautéed. This eliminates 300 to 500 calories of cooking oil, while the food tastes just as good. Request extra vegetables instead of fries or rice. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate these simple requests. Third, use the plate method for automatic portion control. Fill half your plate with vegetables. They provide fibre, volume and nutrients with minimal calories. 1/4 of your plate gets lean protein, like grilled chicken, fish or lean steak. The final quarter gets your starch, whether that's rice, potato or bread. This creates reasonable portions and balanced macros without counting anything. Fourth, navigate the menu strategically. Start by choosing your protein, then build around it. Skip the appetisers and bread baskets that deliver empty calories before your main meal even arrives. Avoid sugary drinks and limit alcohol to 1 drink maximum if you're having any. Dessert is optional, not automatic. If you really want one, share it. Fifth, don't compensate by starving yourself all day. Many people skip breakfast and lunch before a restaurant dinner, thinking they're saving calories. This guarantees you arrive ravenous and overeat dramatically. Eat normally throughout the day, then make a reasonable choice at the restaurant. You'll enjoy the meal more and consume far fewer total calories. Studies consistently show that people who maintain flexible eating patterns, including restaurants once or twice weekly, maintain better long-term fat loss compared to rigid dieters who eventually crack and binge. Flexibility isn't weakness, it's strategic sustainability. Ryan's transformation proved this perfectly. He started accepting social invitations again. Before each restaurant visit, he checked the menu online and made his decision. He typically ordered grilled salmon or chicken with double vegetables and sauce on the side. He ate his normal breakfast and lunch before dinner out. He used the modifications and plate method every time. The result? He continued losing weight at the same consistent rate while enjoying social life again. Within 4 weeks he realised something crucial. The restaurant meals weren't destroying his progress. They were actually enhancing his adherence by preventing the deprivation that had led to his massive binge. Let me show you the math that makes this work. 1 meal per week represents 4% of your 21 total meals. Even if that restaurant meal exceeds your target by 500 calories, your overall progress remains intact. If you're maintaining a 500 calorie daily deficit, that's 3,500 calories per week. 1 meal 500 calories over leaves you with a 3,000 calorie weekly deficit. You're still losing weight. Your practical framework is straightforward. Plan restaurant visits in advance, ideally once or twice weekly maximum during active fat loss. Check the menu online and decide your order before arrival. Eat normally throughout the day. Use modifications in the plate method at the restaurant. Track the meal honestly afterward. Don't let one restaurant meal become a full cheat day. Return to normal eating at your very next meal. I'm Duncan, and that's your raw daily fuel. Remember, in Scotland we value common sense over extremes. Your diet should fit your life, not eliminate your life. One restaurant meal is part of sustainable progress, not the enemy of it. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Raw Daily Fuel. Diverse voices, global perspectives, one mission, giving you the practical strategies that work in the real world.